Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the jar and runtime. First, open a terminal in the server folder so commands run where the jar lives. This avoids path errors. Next, run Java version to confirm a compatible Java runtime. Minecraft servers need Java 8 Plus or a specified build. Once done, make sure the jar file name matches your run command exactly. Change case or extension if necessary. If you renamed it, update the command line. These steps prevent the typical file not found failures. Now execute with a proper command and write permissions. Use Java XMX 1G XMS 1G jar Minecraft server. Jar Nagui or adjust memory. The jar flag is required. If the system returns unable to access Jarfile, check file permissions. On Linux or Mac, run chmod plus X and ensure the file owner matches the user running the process. On Windows, run the command in an elevated prompt if file system restrictions apply. Make sure the terminal's current directory contains the jar before pressing enter. Finish by eliminating deeper causes. If permissions and names are correct, confirm the jar isn't 0 bytes or corrupted, re-download from a trusted source and replace the file. Inspect any startup scripts for mismatched quotes or spaces in paths. Use full quoted paths to avoid parsing issues. Once you start the jar and it runs, make sure the EULA file exists. Accept it to move forward. Troubleshooting tip: if it still fails, run with the explicit full path to the jar to rule out directory confusion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.